Hey vlog, look at the outfit check today. Look, I got this new necklace. Isn't this cute? It's like a little shell, and then this one is a shell with a pearl on it, and this is a starfish. So I'm about to head to the festival soon. I'm going downtown to a Japanese festival that they're having today. I believe it closes or it ends around 10, so I still have some time. It's only 5:30 p.m. right now, and I'm super excited to see what food vendors they have and just what booths are out there. So I will see you guys there. Hey vlog! Hey Paulina's vlog actually. No, this is not my camera. We are on the way to the Oban Festival, and here's a quick fit check, and we're just on the way there. There's nothing much to say. Yeah. Guys, we have parked and now we are heading to the festival area. We had to park like 2 streets down because they blocked off the road. You're gonna get anything?
I want like a drink. Tea. Candy and a tea.
Okay. And then what do we get over here? Onigiri. Yum. Look, I took the chair out to sit because I'm tired. Camera shy. Ashley is being mysterious over there all by herself. It's like actually pretty cloudy today, but I think the weather will lighten up soon, hopefully. Get off that camera and help! We are building our home for the next 8 hours. We are trying to build a tent. Chris and I did the umbrella, so we did a lot already. Yeah, it was a lot of work. So we didn't, yeah. We already did like all the work, to be honest. Guys, Ashley and I accidentally matched and we didn't even try. Both wearing green with the same like tie. Twins! Okay guys, this is the fit check. I got a green top, some booty shorts, and some shell accessories.
Okay.
And the sun is starting to come out, so I'm getting a little sweat. So that's also an accessory. Your turn, fit check.
I'm wearing a green thingy.
Okay.
Same thing. Jorts.
Okay.
Yeah. Urban Outfitter. Uniqlo.
Oh my god, we're all wearing green today. First bite.
One member?
One of the original members and then new noodles. It was literally a member that no one knew about. Yeah.
Mmm.
know. I saw on TikTok that if you blow into it, like it sounds like a wish. You should try it.
And it grants you 3 wishes.
No, it's okay.
Oh, I'm okay, thank you.
See someone actually get that look.
Yeah, I see.
Guys, the beach got really foggy and misty, so I'm wearing this blue hoodie and this blue Nike cap to match. Matching fit. This is not the beach I was promised. Where is my sun? Guys, I'm currently in the tent because it's like chilly outside. In SJ it's like 100 something degrees, but we're in Santa Cruz, so it's kind of cold. Not really, it's like 70, but there's no sun right now, so I'm just chilling in the tent.
Matt.
We are home from the beach and we're going to get dinner now because we're hungry. We're at a tofu soup place and we're gonna order soon.
But nothing will ever beat Big John.
So fatty. To like the cubes.
Hungry.
It's so good.